Heading up into the hills again. Meet two other boys up here. 3 single lads. Yeah, we're gonna have a nice fire. I got venison burgers to cook. And Mike said he's doing us some chili dogs as well. That sounds pretty good. So we got Mike over here in his Eurohike. And here comes trouble. Right, that's the tent setup. I'm not going to put my sleeping bag down yet because Poppy will stink it up. So it's just the airbed. She's going to be sleeping at the back. Tonight I've got venison burgers and blue cheese. Whoa, look at them now. Brioche buns. Here's Poppy's treat for the night. Look at that. Whoa, beef. Collect a bit of water, I'll treat that now. It's an old one. Bud.
Drinks of choice tonight. Light one. I'd show the setup. Got jacket and gloves for later. I'm having for tea is another bog roll, chicken tikka with rice, wound up on the sort of Windmaster, 2 pillows, all my bags, electricals for that, and we got the Windard quilt, meant to be rated for 0 degrees. We'll give it a go tonight now. We've got that's on a X-Bed Dura 6R, and we've got a foam mat underneath that in the Hilleberg Aktos.
Mike's building the perfect wall, yeah. It's a fire pit. It used to be on the other side. There's no fire pit here, look. Obviously we're not sitting around that today. Here's a determined dog if ever I saw one. A good girl.
Wipe the milk now. Look at this, Barbie going kit, mate.
More of a cooking knife, yes.
You get some fine stuff in there now, don't you? Some fine twiglets, eh?
That's a better one. It's beard, huh?
Yeah,
There she goes.
she loves it, doesn't she? Time for the gloves. What gloves?
Where's your fat wood? Give me fat wood. The stuff that tastes really good.
Yeah. Takes the oils in it, does she? Great about tea milk, that did.
Who needs a saw? Sorry. Plenty of chunks of her. Come off to find a bit more fuel for the fire now. Luckily they've replaced this fence, so there's plenty of fence posts. Ideal. That's what's going on tonight. Here they are. Perfect material. It's coming, it's coming. The venison steaks are on.
He's dying.
That's our life support, just running out.
Just about to run out.
Right, so have a look at Mike's setup. He's on the BioLite. This is well cool. So it produces its own electric from the flame.
Yeah, charge your phone if only.
Well cool.
That's it again.
Mad.
Really? Poppy's liking it. So it needs to burn down with them pellets are crazy off.
It's like a mini barbecue. That's well cool,
Yeah,
man.
it's not bad. The grill is good. It's easy to clean as well. It comes off too far. Great to take it on the beach, you know. Like I say, you need like,
Yeah, it's well cool.
like I say, you want to plug something in charge now, boys, plug it in because I got leads there if you want to plug anything into charge because it's generating.
Yeah, may as well charge something up,
It's
isn't it?
generating nearly full battery there. No?
I go straight into a USB, I'll see. I tell you what, I think I'm going to get one of them.
So that's
cool.
that lights the heat you're generating.
Yeah,
That's what fan power it's on, but there.
yeah.
And then the other one is the battery it's already got, so it's full battery anyway. So it's a power bank anyway. So if you carry it about with you, you've already
Yeah.
got full charge, so you can charge your battery straight away before you start the fire,
Not
and then
crazy.
you just charge yourself. It's cool, that is.
It's good, man. Got a summit to eat chicken tikka with rice, is it?
Yeah. First time I've brought their freeze-dried meal for a long time, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So
And me on the steaks
long
and
some walk or something.
Thai green curry has been your go-to.
Mm. Yeah, it's good, that is.
Yeah. Much I set it back.
Not sure, man, I can't remember.
About £7 or something, eh?
Yeah, 6, 7 quid, something like that. Nice up.
With venison burgers.
Out of 10. Yeah, it's a solid, for me, it's a solid 8 out of 10.
8.
So
That is high.
it's a good chicken tikka with rice.
What would you call the real term at that? Or a 10?
They're a little bit higher than these, if I'm being honest.
Yeah.
They're probably like a 9. I'd give that. The chicken tikka rice with real term out of the 9. But that's a solid 8, that is. So I'm getting treated tonight. That way.
I don't know. I don't.
Right, question of the night. What do you look for in a woman?
I'm old school. Is that a bad thing? It's not a bad thing, is it?
Not so bad, is it?
I think it's a good thing.
Well, the answer I thought, mate.
Are you thinking about locks or something too? Or?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, you've got to be half tight, you know what I mean? What do you look for in a woman?
Right. Wanting to do things with you.
Outdoorsy.
Airing. Good body, honestly.
You're not asking for much, are you?
There's only 3 things.
I like a traditional woman. Let's break it down. I like a traditional one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like a woman to be a woman.
Like the old school.
Old
housewife.
school one. Yeah, like an old.
Yeah.
Not, you know, I'm talking like petticoats and you know all that, like, you know, and, you know what I mean.
Yeah. No, they do the hoovering and you do fixing the door, sort of thing.
I'll go out and earn a living.
Yeah. She
That's
cooks the tea.
the way it should be.
Yeah.
That's when the world works the best. Right? Nowadays, like you said, it's all about design. If you've got the mother and the father out working, there's 2 loads of taxes they've got to pay.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I mean? And not only that, then your missus isn't bringing up the children the way you want them to be brought up because of school, because the government are bringing them up in the school with their beliefs. There's something to be said about being like old school, isn't it?
Well, it worked, didn't it, for a long time, like.
Well, it's worked till a few years ago.
People used to stick together as well, didn't they?
Yeah.
What do you look for in a woman?
Loyalty.
Yeah.
Just loyalty. I just want loyalty.
Yeah.
Really. Just loyalty. That's it. Just loyalty.
Not looks.
Yeah, looks don't mean everything, but
Yeah.
I do poke the mantelpiece when I'm looking at the fire. So I look at the fire when I'm poking the mantelpiece. That's what I meant to say. I always look. And yeah,
Nothing's no problem, is it?
yeah, well, loyalty. You've got to like a woman, haven't you? You can't just, otherwise there's no sexual attraction there. You've got to fancy somebody,
you
you
gotta
do.
get- yeah.
Otherwise
Yeah.
you're just with them for I don't know what.
Yeah, just as you don't want to be on your own.
Yeah, exactly. That's not.
Get your fingers under your feet if you can. This is where it comes on.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right, now you've got to really lock your fingers around your toes. Right? Right, now spell, run 10 times as fast as you can. Go on.
Are you in? Are you in? Yeah, I get it. Yeah, well, I think you offended a few people on the live stream last week.
Feels
So,
so, don't
have you
it?
got anything to say about
Yeah. Yeah, appears like she's got a few people. Yeah, lost a few subscribers, right?
that?
I'd like to take this opportunity to apologise to absolutely no one. The 75th dozen says what he wants.
Wow.
Hey Pop, I'll put everybody drop it when you want.
Yeah, sure.
Poppy's gone to bed. Right down the bottom of the sleeping bag, head first. Nice and warm. It's time for the International Can Stamping Championship of the World. Dai Shamai, known for doing his laces well before the can stamping champs.
Stump your grenades into one.
Oh, that was bad.
That was bad.
All off.
Whoa, pretty good.
Yeah, that's not great. You two judge that.
7.
Oh, it's cold boy for the fire, isn't it? Bloody hell. Ah, no. That's worse than Mike's, that is. Aye. What is it? It's got to be 4.
Don't even look at it. Better.
It's better.
It's better. It's better.
Good.
We'll check in.
5.5. That's crap.
No.
2.
Upside down.
Oh,
Don't buy Jack Wolfskin.
6.8.
yeah, I'll give you 6.5.
Cheers, lad.
Oh, it's the best one
Better.
yet.
Oh.
Hey!
Oh, it's beating it. It's beating it.
Oh, that's a 9.
Yeah, it's a 9.
That's a 9.
Cheers, lads.
Nice. Troopers is the winner today.
Get in.
The International Can Stamping Championships.
What do I win?
You win a flat can. We try him back to the Acto. It's very cold. I think I'm going to be warm tonight though. Got to kick Poppy out of the sleeping bag. I don't know, I might try and sleep with her in it, but I don't think we're going to fit together. But temperature in the Acto, round about 4, 5. Feels a lot colder than that, to be honest, as you can see my breath. Yeah, chilly night. Right, catch you in the morning. Morning coffee has started. So Mike has made me this cook salad. This is fantastic. He said he started off with a chainsaw, just to cut it to a rough shape. Did the rest by hand and then got it on the belt sander. The rain is in this morning. A pretty good sleep. I woke up about 4:30, just couldn't sleep anymore then. Managed to go back for an hour or two. Just waiting for the boys to wake up now, it's about 7:30. Yeah, it looks so much different to last time I was here, because they've cut all the trees down. This used to be in the middle of a big forest. It's like a brand new spot now. And all the wood they've chopped down, it's going to need a couple of years of seasoning. It'd be a great one to come back to for having a quick fire. I think I'm going to go watch that Ghostbusters film today. I can't think what it's called. Ghostbusters Frozen something or other. They got the old characters back in it, Bill Murray and Dan Aykroyd. Looks like a laugh. Look at the craftsmanship on this Hilleberg, guys. Whoa, look at these bloody ring pulls. I can't fault it, to be fair. Can you? The only thing is I can't really sit up in the inner without having to squat, so took the inner down. I think it's because I got a really chunky air mat as well, that doesn't help. Remember kids, always take your rubbish home, you scruffy gets.